Did you know the worst industrial disaster in history happened while an entire city slept? December 3rd, 1984, midnight in Bhopal, India. 40 tons of deadly gas erupted from a Union Carbide pesticide plant, creating a toxic cloud of death. The methyl isocyanate gas rolled through the streets like invisible fire. People woke up choking, their lungs burning from the inside. Families ran blind through the darkness, their eyes melting from the poison. Children convulsed on the ground, foam pouring from their mouths. Entire families were found dead in their beds the next morning. 3,787 people died immediately. Over 500,000 were injured. But the real horror was just beginning. Union Carbide's CEO Warren Anderson flew to India, got arrested, then mysteriously escaped the country on a government plane. The company blamed local workers and paid just $470 million while they had made billions from the plant. 40 years later, children in Bhopal are still born with twisted limbs and damaged brains. The poison never left.